In the next 40 seconds, you'll hear a story that seems impossible, but it's 100% true. In 2012, a man was hiking during a severe thunderstorm when lightning struck him directly. He was thrown several feet, his body burnt, and witnesses assumed he was dead. Amazingly, paramedics arrived and found him barely conscious, his heart still beating. He was rushed to the hospital, treated for severe burns, and after weeks of recovery, walked out alive. This is the true story of Roy C. Sullivan, a man who survived not once, but 7 lightning strikes in his lifetime. Would you survive something this unbelievable? Comment below.